The diagram shows the chain linking the front and back clank of a bicycle. This is given that the circumference of the front and back clank are 50.8 centimeters and 30.5 centimeters respectively. So this one is 50.8 centimeters and the smaller one is 30.5 centimeters. This is the circumference. Calculate the length of the bicycle chain in centimeter. So here I'm going to show you two methods. Let me show you the faster one first. So to find the length of this bicycle chain, you need to find the arc length here and also the arc length here. Then plus 2 times of 25. Then you will be able to get the length of this bicycle chain. Now, to find the arc length here, you can just use ratio. This circumference of this smaller clank is 30.5 centimeters. So 30.5 centimeter. This is circumference, which means 360 degrees, right? But now we only want the arc length for 160 degrees. So we can use ratio to help us to get the arc length. So what you need to do is take 30.5 divided by 360 and then times 160. You will be able to get the arc length here. Using the same concept, you also can find the arc length here easily. So this is 50.8, right? 50.8 centimeters. Same thing. This is for circumference, which means 360 degrees. So now you only want 185 degrees. Therefore, you need to take 50.8 divided by 360 times 185. And you will be able to get the arc length here. Take the value here and here, plus 2 times of 25. You will be able to get the length of this bicycle chain. Okay. The length of the bicycle chain. 2 times of 25 plus, that's one, 30.5 divided by 360 times 160 plus 50.8 divided by 360 times 185. 30.5 divided by 360 then times 160 plus 50.8 divided by 360 times 185 plus 2 times of 25. Okay, so the answer is 89.66 centimeter. Let me show you another method. If you don't want to use this method, you want to use a formula S equal to R theta to find the arc length, you also can get the same answer. Now, if you want to use this formula, S equal to R theta, what information do you need? You need the radius, you need theta in radian, right? So for the theta part, the angle, we don't have problem because the question gives us the angle, which is 185 degree and 160 degree. So we can convert the angle given to radian easy, right? So now let me convert these two angles to radian first. 160 degree is equal to 160 times pi over 180. Then it will be converted to radian. So no pi is given here. I just assume that the pi is 3.142. So 160 times 3.142 divided by 180. I just round off it to 4 decimal places. Then it will be 2.7929 radian. Okay, do the same thing for this one. 185 degree is equal to 185 times pi divided by 180 radian. Let me round off this to 4 decimal places, 3.2293 radian. Okay, now we have the angle now. So we need to find the radius of this smaller clank and the larger clank. So how do we find the radius? given by the questions, let me write down the angle first. So 160 is 2.7929 radian. How about this one? 3.2293 radian. Okay. Given by the question, the circumference here is 30.5, right? How do we get the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r, right? This means that 2 pi r is equal to 30.5. So I just assume that I just use a pi equal to 3.142. So it means that r is equal to 30.5 divided by 2 pi, right? So by calculating this way, you will be able to get the radius for the smaller circle. Okay, let me round off it to 4 decimal places. 4.8536 centimeter. So same thing here, the circumference 50.8. So what is the formula for circumference? As I told you just now, 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r is equal to 50.8. So r, the radius, is equal to 50.8 divided by 2 pi. So this one, I think it should be no problem, right? To calculate, you just press your calculator, 50.8 divided by 2 times 3.142. Okay, 8.0840 centimeter. So now we can use S equal to R data to help us to get the arc length. The length of the bicycle chain is equal to 2 times of 25 plus R data. So the R is 4.8536 R data 2.7929 plus, again using a formula, R data. So R is 8.0840 data 3.2293. Okay, just press your calculator this one. Okay, so I just round off it to four significant figures. So it will be 89.66. You will still getting the same answer. So these are the two ways that we can use to solve this question.